Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the representing decimal numbers on number line. Okay, in the last class we have seen about decimal numbers. We shall recall that. Like decimal 6.5 and 23.23. You have to make this as like decimal. Here we have 2 decimal point. Here only 1. So you change this to 2 decimal point. Okay, 0, 50, comma 23.23. Here we have 3 decimal points. Here we have only 1. So to make a like decimal, you have to make the 1 decimal as 3 decimal, comma 61.300. Here also 3, here also 3. Descending order of this 9.38. Here 9.83. Descending order means you have to write the bigger number to smaller number. Okay. Here 9 point, 9 point. Here 7 point, 7 point. Here 5 point. Here also 5 point. So 9 point. Take first 9 point. 9 point la 8, 3 is 1, 2. Then take 7 point. Here 6, 5. Here 5, 6. So here this is 3. This is 4. Then 5 point take. Here 32. Here 23. So this is 5th one. This is 6th one. Then you write 9 descending order is equal to 9.83, comma 9.38, comma 7.65, comma 7.56, comma 5.32, comma 5.23. Here we have 3 decimal points. Here we have only 1. So to make a like decimal, you have to make the 1 decimal as 3 decimal, comma 61.300. Here also 3, here also 3. Descending order of this 9.38. Here 9.83. Descending order means you have to write the bigger number to smaller number. Okay. Here 9 point, 9 point. Here 7 point, 7 point. Here 5 point. Here also 5 point. So 9 point. Take first 9 point. 9 point la 8, 3 is 1, 2. Then take 7 point. Here 6, 5. Here 5, 6. So here this is 3. This is 4. Then 5 point take. Here 32. Here 23. So this is 5th one. This is 6th one. Then you write 9 descending order is equal to 9.83, comma 9.38, comma 7.65, comma 7.56, comma 5.32, comma 5.23. Descending order of 4.108, comma 4.081, comma 4.801, 810, 4.801, 4.180, 4.018. All the numbers are in 4 point. So descending order. This is first one. Because 4.018. So here 8 1, isn't it? So first one, this is second one, 081. Then 180, no, here 108. So this is third one, this is fourth one. Then 801. Here 810. Then this is fifth one and sixth one. You have to, here the whole numbers are same. 4.4.4.4.4.4. But you have to check the other 3 after the decimal. You have to see here 108, here 81, here 810, here 801, here 180, here 1808, 018, 18. Okay. Now first one is ascending order is equal to, first one is 4.018, then second one is 4.081, then third one is 4.108, then fourth one is 4.180, then fifth one is 801, fifth one is 4.801, then 4.810, sixth one. Okay. Representing decimals in number line. Okay, we shall see one example how to mark the decimal number on number line. Okay. Mark 0.8 in number line. Okay. This is a scale on number line. This side it will come as -1, -2, -3. We know that number line. Here it is positive. So we are taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now 0.8 means it comes between 1 and 0, isn't it? It comes between 0 and 1. 0.8 will come between these two, isn't it? We shall see this. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. 0.5 is a dark line. Then 6, 7, 8. Here 8. We have the 0.8 here, isn't it? 0.8. We shall see the exercise problem. Exercise 1.4, first problem. Write the decimal numbers represented by the points P, Q, R and S on the number line. Okay. They are given the number line and marked the P, Q, R, S on it. We have to say on which point it lies. Okay. First we shall see the P. P lies on, see, 3 and 4 between P lies between 3 and 4. Okay. Then 3. After 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then sixth line it has. So 0.6. So P lies on 3.6. Then Q. Take Q. Q lies between 1 and 2. Q lies between 1 and 2. Then it lies on the third line. Okay. So 1 and 2. Okay. So it lies on 1 plus 0.3. So Q lies on 1.3. Then next one, R. R lies between 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So 6 plus 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 0.8 is equal to 6.8. So R lies on 6.8. Yes. Then S lies between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Then 1, 2. 0.1, 0.2. It lies on 0.2. So 4 plus 0.2. is equal to 4.2. Okay, so S lies on 4.2. Okay. Then represent on the number line. You have to draw number line and show in which point it lies. Then first sum. You have to draw a number line like this. Okay. Now 1.7. 1.7 lies between 1 and 2. So see here, these two, in between this we have, that is 0.7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the line 1.7. Okay, you have to arrow mark. Then 0.3. Then 0.3 lies between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. After 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Okay, next 2.1. That is 2.1 lies between 2 and 3. And see here 2 and 3. So 2.1. So after 0.1 here. So this is 2.1. Okay. Third problem. Between which two whole numbers the following decimal numbers lie? 3.3. 3.3 lies between solution. 3.3 lies between which numbers? Yes, 3 and 4. Okay, 2.5. 2.5 lies between 2 and, yes, 3. Then 0.9 lies between 0 and, yes, 1. Find the smaller decimal number in the following. Okay, you make this as like decimal. Okay, first we shall change this to like decimal. Here maximum decimal numbers is 2. So you have to make this also 2. So 25.30 and 25.03. Then which is smaller here? Yes, 25.03 is smaller. Okay, next one 7.01. Then this way I can change this like terms first, isn't it? So 7.01 comma 7.30. Okay, so 7.01 is smaller. Okay, next solution 5.60 comma 6.05. Which is smaller here? Yes, 5.60 is smaller. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.